Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Reasons why I love onions. Marami po itong benefit sa katawan. Pag magsasangag po kayo ng kanin, pwede po kayong gumamit ng onion, tsaka magluluto po kayo ng ulam. Mabuting ingredients po ang onion. May high level po siya ng quercetin and anthocyanin, reducing colon and breast cancer cells, support the respiratory system, help regulate blood sugar, support gut health, antibacterial, anti-cancer compound, rich in antioxidant compound. Thanks for watching my video. Kindly like and subscribe. Gracias.